Today I would like to draw an astronaut. Please enjoy my video.
5 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 4 little ducks came back. Four little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 3 little ducks came back. 3 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 2 little ducks came back. 2 little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but only 1 little duck came back. 1 little duck went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, 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 but no little ducks came back. No little ducks went swimming one day, over the hill and far away. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. Mother duck said, quack, quack, quack. And all the little ducks came back. And all the little ducks came back.
Yeah? Yeah?
Hickory dickory dock.
The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 2. The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 3. The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 4. The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. Hickory dickory dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 5. The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock. clock struck 6. The mouse went down. Hickory dickory dock.
How is my video? If you interest, please click like button. To know my new video, please click subscribe button. See you on my next videos.